For videos related to smart investment, subscribe to our channel Time to Invest and press bell icon to get best and exclusive video on mutual fund, stock market and investment.
Hello friends and welcome to Time to Invest. In this video we are going to discuss about top 5 mid-cap funds which can give you a very good return in future. But before that, I would like to thank all my viewers and my subscribers for giving such a nice response to our channel and our videos, and I hope you will maintain the same in future. And if you have any questions related to mutual funds and investment, please write them in comment box. I will try my best to give you a best possible solution for everything. So let's begin our video of top 5 mid-cap funds. And viewers, before we move ahead to top 5 mid-cap funds, first let us know what are mid-caps. According to market capitalization, the top 100 companies are known as large cap, and after that from 101 till 250 these big companies are known as mid-caps, and mid-cap funds invest in these 150 companies for earning better returns. Friends, in the world of investment, you might be knowing that there is a relationship between risk and return. Higher the risk, higher will be the return. And same goes true with mid-cap funds. Mid-cap funds carry higher risk, and it is suitable for those mutual fund investors which can take this risk. And what kind of risk are involved in mid-cap funds? Let me show you with one example. In a bull run of 2017, mid-cap has given a return of more than 32%. But same when we take the example of year 2018, in a bear market, the mid-cap has given a negative return of minus 19%. So if you are able to bear this much of volatility, mid-cap funds is good for you. Now the question will arise, when mid-cap funds are this risky, why should one go for mid-cap funds? I will tell you why one should go for mid-cap funds, and mid-cap funds can prove to be a very wise decision in long run. In long run, mid-cap funds have outperformed large cap. I have taken this data from Bloomberg, in which you can clearly see that from year 2011 till year 2018, in every market rally, mid-cap has not only outperformed large cap, but it has given a return almost double the times of large cap. And these mutual funds invest 65% of their wealth in these well-managed mid-cap companies which have the potential to grow to large cap in future and can provide you a very good returns. It will be furthermore clear with this example. In past 5 years, the average category return of mid-cap funds is almost 20%, more than 20%. Now you can imagine the kind of growth it can give to your wealth in future. So without further delay, I would like to begin our next section where we will discuss about top 5 mid-cap funds for year 2019 and 20. Now let us see which mid-cap fund is on number 5th. On number 5th we have Invesco India Mid-Cap Fund from Invesco Mutual Fund. It has received a rating of 5 star from CRISIL, 4 star from Value Research and 4 star from Morningstar. Now let us look at the performance of this fund. This fund has given a return of minus 4.7% in first year, 8.4% in second year, 12.8% in third year and 20.9% in fifth year. When we look at the compounded return of this fund has given a compounded return of 15.09% in last 3 years, and in last 5 years this fund has given a compounded return of 21.27%, which means that an investment of rupees 1 lakh 5 years before would have become 2,62,000 till now. This fund is a 12 years old fund, and since launch this fund has given a compounded return of 14.22%. To invest in this particular fund, you need a minimum lump sum amount of rupees 1000, and you can start a SIP from rupees 500. Now let us see which fund has made it to number 4. On number 4 we have HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund from HDFC Mutual Fund. This fund has received a 3 star rating from CRISIL, 4 star from Value Research and 5 star from Morningstar. Now let us look at the performance of this fund. This fund has given a return of minus 11.4% in first year, 3.5% in second year, 12.6% in third year, 20.3% in fifth year. Now let us look at the CGR return of this fund. This fund has given a compounded return of 15.39% in last 3 years, and in last 5 years it has given a return of 20.74%, which means that an investment of rupees 1 lakh 5 years before would have become 2,56,000 till now. This fund is a 12 years old fund, and since launch this fund has given a compounded return of 15.66%. To invest in this fund you need a minimum lump sum amount of rupees 5,000, and you can start an SIP from rupees 500. Now let's see which mid-cap fund has made it to number 3. On number 3 we have DSP BlackRock Mid-Cap Fund from DSP BlackRock Mutual Fund. This fund has received a 3-star rating from CRISIL, 4-star from Value Research and 4-star from Morningstar. Now let us look at the performance of this fund. This fund has given a return of -9.3% in first year, in second year 3.4%, in third year it has given a return of 13.8%, and in fifth year it has given a remarkable return of 21.1%. Now let us look at the CGR, that is compounded return of this fund. This fund has given a return of 15.85% in last 3 years, and in last 5 years it has given a compounded return of 21.18%, which means that an investment of rupees 1 lakh 5 years before would have become rupees 2,61,000 till now. This fund is a 12 years old fund, and this fund has given a return of 14.68% since launch. To invest in this fund you need a minimum lump sum amount of rupees 500, and with same amount you can start a SIP also. Let's see which mid-cap fund has made it to number 2. On number 2 we have Axis Mid-Cap Fund from Axis Mutual Fund, which has received a rating of 5-star from CRISIL, 4-star from Value Research and 3-star from Morningstar. Now let us look at the performance of this fund. Friends, in first year this fund has given a return of 6.8%, second year 15%, third year 14.1%, and in fifth year 21.4%. Now let us look at the CGR return of this fund. This fund has given a return of 16.44% in last 3 years, and in last 5 years it has given a compounded return of 20.99%, which means that an investment of rupees 1 lakh 5 years before would have become 2,59,000 by now. This fund is a 8 years old fund, and since launch this fund has given a remarkable return of 17.17%. To invest in this particular fund you need a minimum lump sum amount of rupees 5,000, and you can start an SIP from rupees 1,000. Let us look which mid-cap fund is on number 1. On number 1 we have L&T Mid-Cap Fund from L&T Mutual Fund. This fund has received a rating of 4-star from CRISIL, 5-star from Value Research and 5-star from Morningstar. Now let us look at the performance of this fund. This fund has given a return of -13.4% in first year, 6.2% in second year, 14.7% in third year, and in fifth year it has given a return of 23.7%. Now let us look at the CGR return, that is compounded return of this fund. This fund has given a compounded return of 17.87% in last 3 years and 24.16% in last 5 years, which means that an investment of rupees 1 lakh 5 years before would have become 2,95,000 till now. This fund is a 15 years old fund, and since launch this fund has given a remarkable return of 19.43%. To invest in this fund you need a minimum lump sum amount of rupees 5,000, and you can start a SIP from rupees 500. Dear viewers, by now I'm sure that you might have taken a decision that which mid-cap fund you are going to invest in this year. If you want more this kind of videos in future, without further delay, please press the subscribe button and press bell icon to get our notification. And friends, you have given a very good response to our investment yearbook 2019 and 20. We will welcome your feedbacks and reviews in future also. Friends, if you like this video, please share with your family and your friends and encourage them to invest. Till then, happy investing and thank you so much.